This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Dylan Pino. Here is a beautiful, fully renovated condo being offered for sale in a private community with a boat ramp. Whether you are an investor looking to acquire your next rental or a small family looking to relocate, this condo offers great features that will satisfy all. This second floor condo offers 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom and 510 square feet of living space with an open concept floor plan. The current owner has completed the renovation just days ago, to offer you a nearly new condo with very little to no maintenance needed for years to come. Recent renovations include a new HVAC with warranty, new kitchen cabinets/countertops, renovated bathroom, new light fixtures and new LVP flooring throughout. One of the best features of this unit is the location. Casselberry is a beautiful city saturated with settled families, and it is famous for its close proximity to excellent restaurants, schools, hospitals, shopping centers and more, making it ideal for investors looking for quality tenants or a small family looking to settle. Investors often opt to purchase low-maintenance condos like these that will provide great revenue for years to come. Don't hesitate to contact your agent to learn more about this home. For more information,